In this video, I'm going to show you how you can buy Bitcoin in the UK. I am Louise Elizabeth and welcome to Every Bit Helps. I really hope you enjoyed this video today, and if you do, then please give me a like, hit the subscribe button, and share if you feel that others may benefit. Also, please do head over to my website at everybithelps.co.uk for more tips, reviews, and step-by-step guides. If you're from the UK and want to get started with investing and buying your very first Bitcoin, but you're not too sure where to start, here are some trusted sites to get you started. And I'll explain the advantages, fees, and ease of use for every site. I've also got links and full tutorials for all of these platforms, which I'll pop into the summary below. So let's jump into it. And first up is Blockchain.com. The Blockchain.com wallet is a great place to start. Their wallet is one of the best known crypto wallets around and was launched in 2011. With currently over 49 million wallets in 140 different countries, they've gained a large amount of trust within the cryptocurrency space. Their wallets are free and you can buy your crypto with not only just GBP, but a whole host of other currencies too. And the cryptocurrencies that you can buy on their wallet is Bitcoin, Ethereum, Bitcoin Cash, Stellar, and their very own stablecoin, USD Digital. And you can pay with bank transfer or debit or credit cards. The minimum buy is £5 with a maximum of £5,000 per order. And then there's also daily and weekly limits too, which will depend on your level of verification. Now, as you can see here, their fees are 0%. However, when you create an order with Blockchain.com's wallet, you're actually creating something called a market order, which means that you're going to be paying at their market rate, as you can see here. So although the fees are 0, you could be purchasing at a slightly inflated rate, and that's due to the convenience of purchasing in this simple way. And you can also purchase crypto on their mobile app too. So the Blockchain.com wallet is definitely set up for beginner in mind, with a convenient way to buy your Bitcoin with bank transfer or credit card. But as I said, you could be paying more than necessary. So while we're on the topic of Blockchain.com, they also have another product called the Blockchain Exchange. Now, this platform can look a little bit daunting for your first purchase, but if you know how, it's a great way of saving yourself some money and you can pay less for your crypto too. With the Blockchain.com exchange, you can connect this to your blockchain wallet for transferring funds back and forth. You can also deposit your funds into here too directly, and again you have the choice of either GBP or euros. Then when you go to buy, you'll be creating a market order, the same as over with the blockchain wallet. But the market price may actually be lower. So as you can see here, the last trade price was at £7,713. However, if we go back to the blockchain wallet, you'll see that we were going to be paying £7,947. So you're definitely getting a better price over on the blockchain exchange. Or you can define the price that you want to pay with something like a limit order. Then you'll just need to wait for the market to reach that price that you've defined. Now, you will be paying fees over on the exchange, and this will depend on your order type and trading amounts, but they're pretty standard at 0.14% and 0.24% on trades under 100,000. Then there's also fees to transfer your funds from the blockchain exchange across to a wallet. So as you can see, if you're not too daunted about the exchange, it's a great way that you can save yourself some money. Next up, we have Coinbase. Now, a lot of people often confuse Coinbase for a wallet, which it's not, as you don't have access to your private keys, which is a big no-no in crypto. Coinbase is a cryptocurrency exchange to purchase or swap your funds. Then you should store your funds in a wallet afterwards. And you can purchase a whole host of different cryptocurrencies over on Coinbase, including the likes of Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin, the Basic Attention Token, XRP, or Stellar Lumens. You can also purchase with a credit or debit card that supports 3D Secure and make faster payments with GBP banks or SEPA transfers for euros. And you can also do all of this across in their mobile app. Then in terms of their fees, you'll see here that they're pretty high. So they charge you a fee of 1.49% for each cryptocurrency purchase, and then this fee then goes up to 3.99% for trades made with a credit card, and that's due to that convenience. So these fees can certainly add up and do seem a lot as well. but it's convenient and an ideal way for beginners as they make these orders with market orders as well at their market rate. But Coinbase also have Coinbase Pro. Similar to the blockchain exchange, it looks a little bit more advanced, but you'll get cheaper prices even with market orders, plus the ability to define a price with a limit order. But the best thing about this are the fees compared to Coinbase. And that's because instead of paying 1.49% or 3.99%, you can actually pay 0.5% for trading under 10,000. And once you've purchased your Bitcoin, you can then withdraw this either back to Coinbase.com for free, or you can send that over to a secure wallet. So again, a great way that you can save yourself some money, but this time you're saving your money with the fees. Then we have Binance, which is a popular trading platform, although predominantly you can only perform crypto-to-crypto trading on their site, which basically means you need to start with Bitcoin and then trade with that for other different cryptocurrencies that you may want. With Binance.com, you can buy crypto on their site or mobile app with a debit or credit card, but not with a bank transfer for those in the UK, unless you purchase a stablecoin. However, Binance also has Binance Jersey or .je, and this fiat-to-crypto platform is for buying crypto in the UK and the rest of Europe, using currencies such as the British pound and the euro. When we enter their exchange here, you'll see that there aren't as many cryptocurrencies that you can buy other than Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin, and their own coin, BNB. But they currently have zero fees on all euro and GBP deposits and withdrawals, which you can make by bank transfer. And you can place market orders, and again you can place those limit orders where you can define your own price. And they have low fees for trading at 0.1%. So Binance.je is a great place for low trading fees and zero fees for deposits. But your crypto options are definitely limited. Next is LocalBitcoins.com. And this is a person-to-person Bitcoin trading site where people from different countries can exchange their local currency to Bitcoin. And users can post advertisements where they state the exchange rate and payment methods, and they'll be charged a 1% fee for every completed trade. When you reply to an advert, a trade is open and escrow protection is automatically activated. And withdrawing or sending your funds to another Bitcoin wallet will be subject to the Bitcoin network transaction fees. You can even meet these people offline, which requires no personal information to complete the trade using cash, wire transfer, PayPal, or SEPA. This platform can be a quick and private way of purchasing your Bitcoin with low fees, but just make sure that you check out the reputation of the seller, just to make sure that they are trustworthy. And even though the fees are low, the prices could be inflated depending on your payment method. Bitalicious is a well-known cryptocurrency broker based in the UK, where you can buy the likes of Bitcoin, Bitcoin Cash, Ethereum, or Dash since 2013. And users can buy coins with no verification, so they can get started immediately with a bank transfer. Although to pay with a debit or credit card or to purchase greater number of Bitcoin, you'll need to be verified. And the exchange rates will differ if you're paying via bank transfer or card, as you can see here. And their rates are higher than most of the larger exchanges, such as Coinbase Pro. As you can see here, the price is quite different. And one of the reasons why that is that they add their fees into the exchange rate. And once you've entered in the amount that you'd like to buy, Bitalicious will match you with a registered broker who deposits the coins into a Bitalicious escrow wallet. And your Bitcoin is sent to you as soon as the payment has been sent. And then it's sent across to your choice of Bitcoin wallet. Now this is one of the fastest ways to buy your Bitcoin. It's quick, but it's expensive. Also, please be aware that it's not regulated in any way. Kraken is our final trading platform based in the US and also founded back in 2011. Now, in terms of deposits, they accept bank transfers via BACS or CHAPS, and these two come with associated fees and minimum deposits too. For example, if I select BACS, you'll see here that the minimum deposit amount is £3, but there is a fee of £1.95. They also partner with a fiat currency funding company called Etana for free transfer fees. So let's take a look at the trading screen. So again, you can place those market orders when you're buying your crypto. And when you're buying, you will be paying between 0.16 and 0.26% for trading under 50,000. And they have a simple, intermediate, and advanced ways of trading, so really cover a lot of different levels. So another one that's great in terms of those trading fees. However, for me personally, I don't actually like the front end of it. So that was my quick overview of how to buy Bitcoin in the UK. And I have 4 tutorials and links to all of these, which I'll pop in the summary below. So if you're not too daunted about using the larger trading platforms, they're definitely the best way to save yourself in fees and also help you to get the best possible price. And there are other ways such as commission-free trading platforms like Trading 212 or Revolut. And although these platforms are trustworthy and can be used as an easy way to access Bitcoin, you don't own the cryptocurrency as you can't withdraw them from the platforms. And with the continued growth of Bitcoin and cryptocurrency in general, there's always new platforms being created. So if there is a platform that you use and I've not covered it today, then please feel free to put them in the comments below and I'll look to create a tutorial in the future. And just be aware when you're buying any type of cryptocurrency and make sure that you do your own due diligence. And I hope that you enjoyed this video today, and if you did, then please give me a like, hit the subscribe button, and please do head over to my website at everybithelps.co.uk. Thanks, and I'll see you soon.